Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
I bring you all fraternal greetings wherever you are. Um, well, if you notice, we have we suspended our activities for now at the border town on the Bagasi Peninsula. That is why we've not been getting much updates on our side. We are doing some kind of preparation on, uh, on the greater thing that is coming. And of course, we have to take our time to prepare our members. We have to take our time to prepare our men, to prepare our people for uh, the bigger activities that will shake this contraption called Nigeria. Um, I've seen that many of us in this struggle have refused to talk about way forward. They have refused to focus on the struggle. Instead, they go about gossiping and tackling each other. I watch a lot of videos. I'm seeing a lot of videos of people quarreling here and there. And I don't know, many of them are dragging us into issues that we know nothing about, especially issues that we don't want to be part of. Mentioning us in videos, mentioning us in posts, comments, you know, without our consent is very wrong. It's very wrong. We're not part of your problem. We don't want to be part of any problem at all. Any problem you're having with anybody. I think I've come here so many times to advise us to learn how to make peace. You know, learn how to unite. Even as we have also formed alliance in this struggle, some people are not happy. Some people are not happy. I don't know why we take things too personal. We take things too personal. You know, it's very, very wrong. Nobody should drag us into any problem. BNL have remained focused for the past how many years? Sorry for the network interruption. It's just as I said, BNL we have never recorded any kind of problem in our years before. We have been avoiding issues with anybody because we remain focused. We have been focused and we remain focused. So we don't want to be dragged into all these problems. All these problems. We know how to manage our own problems, internal problems. We know how to manage them. So don't drag us into the affairs of others. You know, for those that are doing video, mentioning us here and there, mentioning us here and there, I would advise us to take that strength, how do I put it? That strength we have in doing videos to channel it to the struggle, the main struggle. Channel it to the main. We're tired of infighting. We're tired of all these problem issues here and there. We're tired of that. We're tired of that. And we will be the last to come and begin to exchange gossip, anybody, or begin to exchange words. We know when to reply. If you lay allegation on us, against us, we'll come out here and respond. We'll come out here and respond. So it's a different thing. And so far, nobody has laid any accusation against us. But mentioning us in one little problem you are having here and there, I don't think we have that time to jump into such issues. Like I said, that we are preparing our ground. Our people, our men are warming up. Uh, our men are warming up in Land, in Ahoda land, in Obibo, in Bakassi, in Ikom, in Etum, in Akpabio, in Oron, Ibaka. Our men are warming up. And of course, we are taking our time, also strategizing to know the next form of campaign that we are going to come up with, to know the strategies. We are coming up with different strategies. Of course, we just have to lie low in the peninsula for now while we are preparing all our men in the different states. Some of you came on the other day and were commenting that we are recruiting for Mr. Simon Ekpa. We are recruiting to fight IPOP, yes, whatever, such rubbish. You know, people just come out online to write nonsense just to discourage others, just to discourage others. Then we have not. I don't think we have come here to antagonize any group or uh, to verbally attack any group. We mind our business. We focus on our activities. So why will you be making claims that you making baseless claims? You know, because we are in alliance with Autopilot. How does that affect you coming together or coming to join us or doing your own in a way that it will not conflict with others? You know, do your own in your own way and stop looking for faults. Stop looking for who to blame on for your downfall. It is very, very wrong. We are doing our best to mobilize our people, to carry our people along. And if somebody is saying that we are recruiting to fight them, please you have to correct your comments, statements. You don't just come online because you have access to phone, you begin to write nonsense. I don't think we are in for that. We are focused. We are focused. And so far, I can also see uh, uh, I can also see that the autopilot are also focused. Uh, and other serious people too are also focused. But some of you are just there to gossip, to cause problem, to create confusion. You want us to start having problems, misunderstanding. That is just the plan of some of you. But I don't think we are too learned. We are too matured to join issues that will bring problem for the struggle. We are too matured. I do things in a matured way. Not nobody can push me. Nobody. That is just the truth. You know my type of person. There's what Igbo is called agwisi. That is what I am. Understand? Whenever no borrow so mega oma sirimo. Whenever do le I don't care. Whenever do le I don't care. Nyega manu nyega ngariwe. When nyega manu nyega ngariwe. Wodu warunduwe Ike ga-aga n'ugbo ayaya. So we full ground. Understand? Our own is how do we get our beloved nation? How do we achieve freedom? Our freedom. Not how do we join hand to fight this person? How do we join hand to fight? When you see somebody is doing a very good work, instead of you to come out and commend that person, you are going underground to bring the person down so that you will promote yourself. We're not after that. That is why you can't see me come and begin to antagonize this person. I'm not after those that are fighting for power. I'm content, I'm satisfied as the leader of BNL. As the leader of BNL, in fact, I'm happy to be the leader of BNL. And even after we get our freedom, BNL continue to exist, either as a political party or as a pressure group in Biafra. And I'll be happy to be the founder. You understand? So coming into you are dragging, you are fighting for power. Power we have not even gotten freedom. These things are in fact, these things are distractions. Distractions. Understand? So we have to sit up and do what is right. And not all these problems every day, doing videos every day, that's not the best thing. That's not what's the next agenda? There's an agenda coming up. I wouldn't want to make it public yet. Of course, all we expect all of you is to give us that encouragement, ginger the morale. Ginger, because for our men, we have the morale. Ginger the boys. That's the boys. Not to come and be writing nonsense, doing nonsense video to, destroy what we are doing. You can't destroy what we are doing. You cannot. Nobody can. The only thing when you become a distraction or a nuisance, there you become an enemy of the struggle. You become a scapegoat. So I don't want to be part of all this nonsense. We are coming. Understand? We are coming. And of course, by the time we resume fully our activities, now you will know that yes, they will know that it's not just the Igbo this time. It is all the people that constitute the territory of Biafra. And of course, BNL is doing working around the clock to ensure that we to ensure that all our people are involved in what we are doing. We have the mandate of our people. We have the mandate of our people. So we remain focused, and very soon you start seeing what we have not seen before. But we are not just at the border towns. But a lot of people feel just at the borders. That's where we are known. That impression is wrong. Not just at the border towns. It just like I said before. It's just because the necessary resources or requirement and it's not there. That is why we just have to focus on one place where we can cover. Where we can cover, where what we have can cover. Of course, you should know that when things start, you should know that it's not just at the borders. How many of you know that we have our people in Ikwere? How many of you know that we have in Nahuda, in Oba, even in Delta State? I will soon be there. Then you see the people too who come out to embrace the struggle. So that is it. So don't think it's just the Igbos that are in the struggle. No, everybody is involved. So I will encourage us to support what we are doing and not to come and begin to make problems here and there. Uh, let's come together, form coalition. For those of you that said you cannot form coalition with a civilian group, I read a statement on the BNG page, the Afro National Guard. They said they referred us as a civilian group. They cannot form alliance as a civilian group, and I laughed. I said I wouldn't want to. So far, we are doing the work. People are saying it. Whether we are doing civilian work or we are doing military work, we are doing what we know best. But we want to see those who are military, the main military people, the main military officers of Biafra to at least take over the whole Biafraland. We want to see their military officers everywhere and do the needful. And do the needful. So not to come and begin to paint others. We are civilians for that. And so what? We are civilians and we also have our own self-defense wing. In this era now, we're in democracy. It's not a military regime. Biafra will not be a military, will not be governed by the military. It will be governed by civilians. The military will operate under civilian rule. And that is how BNL will coordinate our activities. It is a civilian government, yes, in BNL. And we have our self-defense volunteers. So I just want to correct those nonsense I'm reading. I'm reading every day. These things are not what we want in this struggle. I don't know, some of us who claim to be mature, but we don't have single sense. We are now differentiating, talking about civilian group and military group and what have you. When we have not even got, you have not even mounted any pressure that will shape the government. It's not what we should be talking about. It's only a senseless person that will just here try to rank himself higher than others. It's not what we should be talking about. So, well, I wouldn't want to say much. I have a meeting, another meeting online to attend now. So. I thank you all. Please share this video, share our whatever content we post on our page. Just make it go viral, share so that the message will get to everybody. I appreciate everybody who is fighting hard to see that we achieve freedom, our freedom. I appreciate you, those who have the zeal, those who are serious, the serious ones in this struggle, that are not after fame, that are not after money, that are not after making name, I know that a lot of you are there, doing your things underground, and those who are also handling the media, coming out publicly, exposing themselves, is a big risk and it's a big huge sacrifice. So I appreciate everybody doing one thing or the other for us to be free. So I really
So, my fantastic people, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.